Now, Cody, do you remember why you got grounded yesterday? What happened? What was that? Do you want to show us? Show us what happened?
I can see it.
Show us Daddy's office carpet.
Do up the door.
Come on, show us. Show us Daddy's office. You guys don't want to, huh? You won't get grounded again. Come on.
I'm gonna get our pants on.
Yeah, you can put your shorts on after.
Shorts on? No, we need our pants on.
You want pants, not shorts? Okay, so this is where it happened. There it is. That's the lovely carpet now. After we've tried to wash it even. Did you get grounded yesterday?
No.
Oh, really? Do you get grounded for 3 hours?
No.
And then after you colored on the carpet, did you go eat all the cupcakes? And you got in big trouble? And were you sorry?
You saved me.
What'd I do?
You saved me.
Aiden saved you? Interesting.
Back in the fight, the old lady got the house.
Really?
I got one.
And you ran?
In a house. I think it.
Oh.
But
Are you okay? Well, don't do that, baby. Is this where it happened? Is that the...
Yeah.
Nope, I'm typing you. Is that why you got grounded?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's why I got grounded.
Oh, and you got grounded?
Mhm.
Yeah. You don't like to talk about that though, do you?
Moses made the carpet with paper.
Yeah, and you're taking credit for the cupcakes? Eating all the cupcakes? You don't like talking about it, do you?
Mhm. I like talking about it.
Oh, okay.
I like telling you the truth.
Oh, that was nice, baby.